So, Second Wind is back at Port Solent. I'm about to go back to work, but I thought I'd pop down and give you guys a bit of a walk through, see what we've been up to. There she is. Right guys, as you can see I'm back on Second Wind. Show you around in a bit, show you a few bits that we've done. As you can see, we've got the upholstery in now. We've got pictures back up, and we've got the new timepiece up here with the tides in it. Sharon bought me that, lovely bit of kit. Paul and I went out, had 2-day shakedown sail. We never went ashore, we just went off to Studden. Like I said, motor sailed all the way there. There was 0 wind, and anchored out overnight over there, and boat flawless, engine as always, absolutely brilliant. I serviced it actually just before the fire, so she was fine. Yeah, so we were there and had a pleasant evening at anchor with the new bimini up and that canopy, very nice. And then the following day we set the Genoa, the spinnaker. We put that out, and we used that all the way back to Newton Creek. Used that all the way back to Newton Creek, and yeah, we stayed there overnight with the seals, and there was 2 or 3 other boats in there, which was good. Funny thing is on the way we were doing probably 4 or 5 knots with the spinnaker. There was hardly any wind, probably only about 8 or 9 knots of wind, so we were doing quite well. And we got pulled over by the police. I did ask them if we were speeding, which they laughed at. They were just asking where we'd been and where we were going. I think we'd had a lot of asylum seekers coming across from France over the last few days, and I think they were just making their presence known. We explained to them what we were doing, and they were absolutely fine. Didn't even come on board. Just had a chat, and off we went. I don't have AIS at the moment, but I have now. Didn't have it then. I now have my new VHF radio, which is the B&G V60B, which is the one that does your AIS. It's got a transponder and transmitter, so I'll be picked up on AIS again, so the police won't bother me. They'll just know where I've been and where I'm going. I've been waiting over 6 months for this bit of kit. I got all the Garmin stuff really quick, but this VHF radio and ones like it, the V60 on its own and the V60B, you can't get them in the UK at the moment. I've been on a waiting list for over 6 months, but that was the unit I wanted. I wanted that to go with the wireless second station. So, and B&G seem to be the only ones that do it, that I've read, and good reviews. So that's what I went with, and that's what I wanted, and I didn't mind waiting for now. Yeah, so like I said before the phone rang, yeah, waited 6 months for this. Really looking forward to fitting in. That won't be until after Christmas now. But we've got it, and we're ready. So yeah, thank you for watching. Cheers.